Stop. Before you click away thinking this is another get-rich-quick fantasy, let me ask you something. What if I told you that a janitor became a millionaire? A teacher retired with $4.4 million? A UPS driver built a $70 million fortune? And none of them had special skills, inherited money, or got lucky with crypto. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact simple systems these ordinary people use to build extraordinary wealth. Systems so simple, a 12-year-old could understand them. But here's the catch. Most people never implement them. I'm about to reveal the wealth-building blueprint that Wall Street doesn't want you to know because it doesn't require their expensive services. Stay until the end because I'll give you the exact step-by-step system you can start implementing today, even if you're starting with zero. Section 1. The myth of complex wealth building. Let's start by destroying the biggest lie about building wealth. Society wants you to believe that getting rich requires some secret formula, insider knowledge, or a finance degree from Harvard. That you need to understand complex derivatives, trade options, or time the market perfectly. But here's what actually happened to Ronald Redd, a janitor and gas station attendant from Vermont. He never made more than minimum wage, never owned a computer, never had a financial advisor. Yet when he died in 2014, he left behind $8 million. How? He used what I call the boring billionaire method, a system so simple it fits on a napkin. He bought shares of companies he understood, held them for decades, and reinvested his dividends. That's it. Meanwhile, 90% of day traders lose money. Hedge funds underperform the market, and people spending hours analyzing charts and following expert predictions end up broke. The truth is, the simpler your wealth-building system, the more likely you are to succeed. And I'm about to prove it with 3 more incredible stories. Section 2. The teacher who cracked the code. Meet Sylvia Bloom. For 67 years, she worked as a secretary for the same law firm in Brooklyn. She took the subway to work, brown-bagged her lunch, and lived in a 1-bedroom apartment her entire life. But Sylvia had a secret weapon. Every time her boss bought stock for his own portfolio, she bought the same stocks with her modest savings. She didn't analyze. She didn't research. She simply copied what the wealthy attorneys were doing. When she passed away at 96, she had accumulated $9 million. But here's the beautiful part. She donated $8.2 million to charity and still left her family well provided for. Sylvia's system was what I call mirror investing. She found successful investors and simply mirrored their moves. But she had 3 non-negotiable rules that made all the difference. Rule number 1, she never sold in panic. During the 2008 financial crisis, when everyone was selling, Sylvia held her positions. She understood that temporary drops are just noise in a long-term symphony of wealth building. Rule number 2, she automated everything. She set up automatic investments from her paycheck before she could spend the money. This removed emotion from the equation entirely. Rule number 3, she lived below her means consistently. Not extremely frugal, just consistently spending less than she earned and investing the difference. But what if you don't have access to wealthy lawyers' portfolios? That's where the next story gets interesting. Section 2. The teacher who cracked the code. Meet Sylvia Bloom. For 67 years, she worked as a secretary for the same law firm in Brooklyn. She took the subway to work, brown-bagged her lunch, and lived in a 1-bedroom apartment her entire life. But Sylvia had a secret weapon. Every time her boss bought stock for his own portfolio, she bought the same stocks with her modest savings. She didn't analyze. She didn't research. She simply copied what the wealthy attorneys were doing. When she passed away at 96, she had accumulated $9 million. But here's the beautiful part. She donated $8.2 million to charity and still left her family well provided for. Sylvia's system was what I call mirror investing. She found successful investors and simply mirrored their moves. But she had 3 non-negotiable rules that made all the difference. Rule number 1, she never sold in panic. During the 2008 financial crisis, when everyone was selling, Sylvia held her positions. She understood that temporary drops are just noise in a long-term symphony of wealth building. Rule number 2, she automated everything. She set up automatic investments from her paycheck before she could spend the money. This removed emotion from the equation entirely. Rule number 3, she lived below her means consistently. Not extremely frugal, just consistently spending less than she earned and investing the difference. But what if you don't have access to wealthy lawyers' portfolios? That's where the next story gets interesting. Section 4. The Acceleration System. Modern Wealth Building. The beautiful thing about living in 2024 is that technology has made wealth building easier, faster, and more accessible than ever before. You don't need to work for 45 years like Ted Johnson. Let me introduce you to the Triple Accelerator System. 3 simple strategies that can compress decades of wealth building into years. Accelerator number 1, the index fund advantage. Instead of betting on single companies like Ted did, you can own pieces of the entire market through index funds. The S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% annually over the past 50 years. Here's the math that will blow your mind. If you invest just $300 per month in an index fund earning 10% annually, you'll have over $1.3 million in 30 years. That's less than $10 per day. But what if you can't afford $300 a month? Start with $50. The key is starting, not the amount. Accelerator number 2, the automation advantage. Unlike our heroes who had to manually buy stocks, you can automate everything. Apps like Acorns round up your purchases and invest the spare change. M1 Finance lets you build diversified portfolios with automatic rebalancing. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your investment account right after payday. Make it impossible to spend this money by moving it before you see it. Accelerator number 3, the tax advantage. Our historical heroes paid full taxes on their gains. You don't have to. Max out tax advantage accounts first. 401k, IRA, Roth IRA, HSA. A $6,000 annual Roth IRA contribution growing at 8% becomes $1.3 million tax-free in 40 years. The same money in a taxable account? Only about $900,000 after taxes. But here's where most people fail, and it has nothing to do with markets or math. Section 5. The Psychology of Wealth. Why most people fail. The biggest enemy of wealth building isn't market crashes or economic recessions. It's the voice in your head. Let me tell you about the wealth building paradox. The actions required to build wealth are simple. So simple they seem ineffective. Buy index funds, invest consistently, wait decades. It's boring. It's not exciting. There's no adrenaline rush. Your brain craves complexity and excitement. It wants to find the secret strategy, the hot stock tip, the crypto moonshot. This psychological bias has cost more people their financial freedom than any market crash in history. Ronald Read, Sylvia Bloom, and Ted Johnson succeeded because they embraced boredom. They found systems that worked and stuck with them through decades of market ups and downs. Here are the 3 psychological barriers you must overcome. Barrier number 1, instant gratification bias. You want results now, but wealth building is about delayed gratification. Every dollar you don't spend today could be worth $10 in retirement. Barrier number 2, analysis paralysis. You think you need to research the perfect investment strategy. But perfect is the enemy of good. Starting with an imperfect plan beats waiting for the perfect plan that never comes. Barrier number 3, lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, your expenses grow with it. The secret is keeping your lifestyle constant while your income increases, investing the difference. But here's the good news. Once you understand these psychological traps, you can design systems that work with your psychology, not against it. Section 6. Your simple wealth building system. All right, it's time to stop learning and start earning. Here's your simple, step-by-step wealth building system that you can implement starting today. Step 1. Automate your foundation. Open a high-yield savings account and automate $500 into it every month for your emergency fund. Once you hit 3 to 6 months of expenses, you're ready for Step 2. Step 2. Maximize free money. If your employer offers 401k matching, contribute at least enough to get the full match. This is literally free money, a 100% return on investment. Step 3. Choose your investment vehicle. Open a Roth IRA with a low-cost provider like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Invest in a target date fund or a total stock market index fund. These are diversified, low-fee, and require zero maintenance. Step 4. Automate your investments. Set up automatic monthly investments. Start with whatever you can afford, $25, $100, $500. The amount matters less than the consistency. Step 5. Increase systematically. Every time you get a raise, promotion, or tax refund, increase your automatic investment by half that amount. If you get a $200 per month raise, increase investments by $100 per month. Step 6. Never touch it. Pretend this money doesn't exist. Don't check your balance daily. Don't panic during market downturns. Don't celebrate during market highs. Just let compound growth do its magic. That's it. 6 steps. No complex strategies. No market timing. No stock picking. Just simple, boring wealth-building systems. Here's what I want you to remember. Ronald Read, Sylvia Bloom, and Ted Johnson weren't special. They weren't geniuses. They weren't lucky. They just understood something that most people never learn. Wealth building isn't about picking the right stocks or timing the market. It's about picking the right system and sticking with it long enough for compound growth to work its magic. Every day you wait is a day you're not earning compound returns. Every month you delay is potentially thousands of dollars you'll never recover. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. I've given you the exact blueprint that ordinary people have used to build extraordinary wealth. The question isn't whether it works, it's whether you'll work it. If this video has opened your eyes to the power of simple wealth-building systems, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I post new wealth-building strategies every week that can transform your financial future. And here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and move on. Take action today. Open that investment account. Set up that automatic transfer. Start your wealth-building journey right now. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. Because in 20 years, you'll either be glad you started today or you'll wish you had. Drop a comment below telling me which step you're going to implement first. I read every comment and love hearing about your wealth-building journey. Until next time, remember, your financial freedom is not determined by how much you earn, but by how much you keep and grow. Make it happen.